Tom, we need to go shopping, says his mother. We need food for dinner. Tom likes going to the supermarket with his mother. It is always interesting. They walk to Green Valley Supermarket. It is a big building with glass doors. There are many cars in the parking lot. Take a basket, Tom, says his mother. Tom takes a red basket. It has wheels and a long handle. Tom can push it easily. They go inside the supermarket. There are many shelves with different foods. The lights are bright and music is playing softly. What do we need? Asks Tom. His mother takes out a piece of paper. We need apples, bread, milk, cheese, and chicken, she reads. I can help, says Tom. I know where the apples are. Tom pushes the basket to the fruit section. There are many different fruits. He sees red apples, green apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. How many apples do we need? Asks Tom. 6 apples, please, says his mother. Tom counts carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He puts the 6 red apples in a plastic bag. Then he puts the bag in the basket. Good job, Tom, says his mother. Now we need bread. They go to the bakery section. There are many types of bread. Tom sees white bread, brown bread, and bread with seeds. Which bread do you like? His mother asks. I like white bread, says Tom. His mother takes a loaf of white bread. It feels soft and warm. She puts it in the basket. Now we need milk, says his mother. They walk to the dairy section. It is cold here because there are big refrigerators. Tom can see milk, yogurt, butter, and eggs. The milk is here, says Tom. He opens the refrigerator door. Cold air comes out. There are different types of milk. Some bottles are big, some are small. Some have red caps, some have blue caps. We need the big bottle with the blue cap, says his mother. Tom takes the milk carefully with both hands. It is heavy and cold. He puts it in the basket. What else do we need? Asks Tom. Cheese and chicken, says his mother. But first, let me ask you something. How much do you think the apples cost? Tom looks at the price tag. The numbers are small, but he can read them. $2.50, Tom reads slowly. Very good. You can read the prices, says his mother. This helps when we shop. They find the cheese next to the milk. Tom's mother chooses yellow cheese. Then they go to the meat section for chicken. Finally, their basket is full. They have apples, bread, milk, cheese, and chicken. Now we go to pay, says his mother. They walk to the front of the supermarket. There are several checkout lines. They choose the shortest line. The cashier is a friendly woman with short brown hair. She wears a name tag that says Linda. Good afternoon, says Linda. Did you find everything you need? Yes, thank you, says Tom's mother. Linda takes each item from the basket. First the apples, then the bread, then the milk, cheese, and chicken. She scans each item with a special machine. The machine makes a beep sound each time. That will be $15.30, please, says Linda. Tom's mother gives Linda a $20 bill. Here is your change, says Linda. She gives Tom's mother $4.70. Thank you very much, says Tom's mother. Thank you. Have a nice day, says Linda. Tom helps put the food in shopping bags. They use 3 bags. The milk goes in one bag by itself because it is heavy. As they walk to the car, Tom feels proud. He helped his mother shop, and he learned about prices. Tom, you were a big help today, says his mother. Next time, you can help me make the shopping list. Really? Says Tom. That sounds fun. They put the bags in the car and drive home. Tom thinks about all the good food they will eat for dinner. At home, they put the food away. The milk goes in the refrigerator. The bread goes in the cupboard. The apples go in a bowl on the table. Shopping is hard work, says Tom. Yes, but it is important, says his mother. We need food to eat and grow strong. Tom nods. And I learned new things today. I can read prices, and I know how to be polite to the cashier. You did very well, says his mother. Tomorrow we can use these foods to make a delicious dinner together. Tom smiles. He likes helping his mother, and he likes learning new things at the supermarket.